In front of me is iPad Air, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching voice memos and clicking on red button at the bottom left corner. As you can see, recording is on. To change title of it, click on new recording at the top. Type in wherever you want to and go back. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use left button again. To play it, click on play button. You can even skip it 15 seconds each way. Now, if you want to edit it right away, click on one of those options at the top right corner. And when you finish, hit save at the bottom right corner. To undo those changes, hit undo at the top left one. Now if you wish to end your recording and save it, hit done at the bottom right corner again. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it and use those buttons. To get rid of it though, click on edit at the top right corner of this section available on the left. Tap on your recording. Use pin icon and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!